Hello, my name is Temitope Fajutu. This presentation is for EDSN 650. This is a group assignment. My group members are myself, Jocelyn, the group leader, Anneries, and Nelson. Jocelyn put the lesson together, and then the lesson plan is my contribution to the group. Here I have introduction, lesson, reading, topic, story element, class, first grade, category 12 to 1-to-1. In our classroom, we have a focus learner with speech impairment. So right here we have the book is The Three Billy Goat Fluff, and this is a brief introduction to the lesson. Right here I have standards. We are using New York State standard for the reading. So right here I have objectives. So it is very important that at the end of the lesson the kids are able to identify, describe, illustrate all the story elements that they are taught in the classroom. And next I have materials. These are the materials needed for the lesson. I have the YouTube video read aloud. I have chart. I have word web worksheet. I have all other materials listed here. Next, I have vocabulary words. If you notice, you see that our vocabulary words are actually the story elements that we are teaching in the lesson. So it is very important that we lay emphasis on this, that the kids understand all these words. And next, I have the worksheet. The worksheet is differentiated for general students and the focus learner. So the general student will use the word web. They write the story element in the middle, and they write all the story elements around it. And this worksheet, this is actually the Google form. So it's for special students. If you notice, it has pictures for easier understanding and identification. So next we have mini lesson. The mini lesson is getting the kids warm up for the lesson, getting them familiarized to the lesson, and then testing their prior knowledge to know if they know, just to warm them up for the lesson. And next I have procedure. The procedure is step by step how this lesson is going to be taught to the students. And next I have modification. So the lesson is modified for the speech impaired students in the classroom. So this is basically explaining how the lesson is being modified. And this is the device needed for the lesson, needed for the special need kid in the classroom to be able to ask questions, yes or no, or to communicate other needs. And next I have special education category. The special education category is basically explaining the IEP goals and then planning the lesson according to the focus learners IEP goals, and how the lesson will be taught to the focus learner. Here I have assessment. We are using formative assessment. So at the end of the lesson, we will ask the kids some questions about story elements, which is informal assessment, and then they will do their work on this worksheet, which is formal assessment. And then at the end of the lesson, we give them assignments. The kids will be asked to read a book at home and identify and explain the story elements in the book they read. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.